welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 107. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast Para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to take an up-close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 107, and then there we have the dollhouse, all of the different rooms, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's open this up. And then here it talks about a model bathroom. So a model bathroom during the Victorian age. I love this bathtub. This is gorgeous. I always wanted to have a bathtub like that with the little feet. I think that's just lovely. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Alright, so here we have a bigger picture of the bathroom here. You can see that there's lots of space. And here it just lists all of the pieces, parts that are in the bathroom here. And well, let's open this up. And over here, guys, it shows you how to prepare the cardboard pieces for the dollhouse. I will show you those in just a moment, guys. It marks you how to prepare them, how to put them, everything here. And guys, don't worry about that, because once we have the entire collection, I will be building the dollhouse with you guys, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever we post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, guys, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And over here, it talks about cactuses. These are really cute, actually. I always like the cactuses that have like little flowers. I think that they're really cute. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? But also the ones that are just like little balls of spikes are really cool too, because they look really intimidating. I don't know, they look cool. But I would be kind of worried to have a cactus myself, because, well, I have a dog and he would bury his nose in the cactus and then we would have to go to the vet. Well, I love them, but there's no way with Max that I could have a cactus. Absolutely not. But well, here we have the front of the dollhouse. How it will look, of course, once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have the new addition to our dollhouse. These are just little cardboard bricks that we're going to be using for the outside of our dollhouse. Let's see if I can turn these over very carefully. And you're going to want to be very careful with these when you handle them, because they are very easy to take out, to take apart, and you can risk to lose them. But here's the other side of them. Of course, you're going to be painting these. These are not how they'll look finished. Or I should say, once the dollhouse is finished, the bricks won't look like this. They're going to be white. They're going to look good. But well guys, that's the end of that. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. So I look forward to hearing from you guys on there. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links, as always, down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.